So which other funny name have you heard of a DJ so far?
Charlie Dean with Kraninyako. DJ. Oh, not Stay. Oh, Stega. Stega is a nice name.
Oh, DJ Stega.
No, not because he's but Stega is a nice name.
Stega. Makwebi was a friend DJ Payola.
Yeah, DJ Payola. Oh, if you're no crampo, there are some names like Murphy.
I know they are cry as well. DJ Bolshika.
Very nice, but
some of the DJs they have some funny names there.
I'll think of them.
I know. DJ Mike Smith, welcome to the studio, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Big man, how are you doing, though?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, Charlie, the flex is too high, man.
I try. I follow you.
Sometimes someone is asking that Mike Smith, is he still a DJ or now he's an artist?
Well, I like to challenge myself. I don't want to be stuck doing the same thing every time. So I always want to, improve and then move on to the next level. I get bored easily. Even now I'm bored of DJing. I'm tired of DJing. I want to do something else.
No, but that is so soon. How many years have you been doing this?
This is like my 11th year.
11th. You've not even done 2 decades yet.
I know, but I don't intend doing 2 decades.
Really?
Yeah, I have other plans. I'm not going to DJ forever.
Okay, so at this stage, can we say you are not seeing that as a profession for you?
Well, it has been over the years, but now I'm venturing into other things. Now it's sort of like we're trying to make way for the young ones to come take their shine. We've done our parts.
Young ones?
Yeah,
like us.
But I'm kind of like an OG. Not there yet, but then so it's only right. And then I feel we all have our priorities. Like we have different things that well, I'm not going to be in this forever. The max I can do is like 12 to 13 years.
Then you retire.
Yeah.
Is it because maybe the return on investment is not high, as in what you are expecting from the profession itself, or from the game you are playing is not coming the way you want it?
I've made a lot of money from DJing. I've gotten a lot of things from DJing, but like I said, I get bored easily. I want to move on to something. I want to challenge myself and do something else. And probably like start a family. I don't want to be like coming to my family like early in the morning, like from the club. My child is now going to school, I'm now coming home. I don't want that kind of life. So I give myself some time to do this, get what I'm supposed to get, and then put it into something else.
I see. So when you hang your gloves, does it mean you not play at all, or you be playing for fun sometimes?
I will play, but I'm going to limit it. That's the thing. I'm going to limit it. I'm going to play like I'm just you don't have to even worry about it anymore. Things will just be coming to you.
Okay. You have been a radio DJ.
Yeah.
You've been a club DJ.
Yeah.
You've been an artist DJ.
Yeah.
Which one is more rewarding?
Well, they all have their. I think with artist DJ, you get to travel, go places. Go DJ at like different events, different countries. With radio actually opens your mind, because you always have to research. You always have to try and find new music, and then the club, you meet new people, you make people happy, you get connect, you get links from there and all that. So they are all like different,
But which one pays? Which
they all pay, but then sometimes you get some benefits from DJing for an artist. If you get a good artist to DJ for,
there are more benefits in DJ for an artist.
Yeah.
Which artist have you played for so far?
I've worked with a lot of artists. I was Stoneboy's first DJ. I worked with EL. I worked with Mr. Easy. I'm now working with Medikal.
Wow. So you started with Stonebwoy as his first DJ.
Yeah.
And for how many years did you work with him?
No, it wasn't that long. Yeah, it was for a short period.
Okay.
And then I moved on to EL. I worked with EL for like 4 years. And then I moved on to Mr. Easy for like another 3 to 4 years. And then I came to Medikal.
Oh, okay. So now you are Medikal's official DJ.
Yes.
Wow. I'll be coming back to you for us to do some more. DJ Lord, how about you? How many years have you been working as a DJ?
Let me say 8 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, LA. You guys have been around.
Low-key.
So professionally, you have been doing the DJ work for 8 years.
Yes, please.
And you have been working as a club DJ or as an artist DJ?
I started as a mobile DJ. Yeah. Sticker knows me very well. I started as a mobile DJ. And then I think in the year 2015, I joined Live FM.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think before then, I had a DJ competition where even DJ Mike Smith was a judge. Yeah. I know he can tell you more about it.
He was a judge for that competition.
I think that was in 2014. Yeah.
So what position did you place?
For me, I didn't win.
Okay.
Another DJ won. So I decided to move on. And then we had another challenge, and then I joined Live FM in the year 2015.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's how I started. So I later joined radio, but I still play, in the clubs. But I've never been a resident DJ, let me say, in a club.
Okay.
I play in some pubs and then, some lounge and all that.
So at the moment, are you playing on radio or you are still doing your mobile thing?
I'm doing my mobile thing. I'm not on radio at the moment. Yeah, I don't work with any radio station.
Okay, so your days on radio and your days as a mobile DJ, which one do you really prefer? Which one do you think should be constant for you as a professional DJ?
I think Mike Smith answered that. He said,
no, I want your answer.
Okay. For me, I think they all pay. They all pay. He did mention something earlier about working with an artist.
Okay.
You get a chance to travel and all that. I've worked with, an artist who traveled with me to everywhere. He goes.
Who is that artist?
Magnum Beats.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I work with Magnum and Easy. Yeah, and I've had that benefits from that side, and I think radio also pays. At least as a DJ, you get some small tips from artists, and then radio.
You mean payola?
Yes.
Okay. And you get some payola from artists as well.
Yeah, it puts you out there. It makes people hear of you. And most of the gigs we normally get is a result of the people hearing us on radio and all that.
Okay. Yeah. The fact that you're on radio, that is where you get most of your gigs from.
Yes. But for the mobile DJing, I was already there, playing weddings, engagements, even funerals. I've played every gig
before.
Yeah,
I see. Now I know most of the DJs we have in our space, they now come with their own. DJ Lord got in there yet?
Yes, please.
You have your set of equipment.
I don't have my personal equipment. But the man I started working with someone as a mobile DJ. He has a sound, like a PA system. So I work with him. Anytime I get a gig, I call him. We move together. Oh, so anytime someone calls you for a gig, you also go rent his equipment. Then you use that to play. We actually work together. So it's not like renting, but we work together.
Because if I call you, I'm paying for your service. I'm not paying for his equipment. So how do you charge? How do you do this?
Some people will be like, oh, okay, so if you come with your sound system and everything, how much will you charge? I want just you, the DJ. We have everything. That's also different. Yeah, so...
Okay, so when the person wants you to come with the equipment, then you can add his charges
to it. Oh, yes, please. Because he's the one who, I can say he's one of the reasons why I'm here.
Oh, I see.
So Like Medu Top, he's also
you've not left
for
him.
chop.
That is great. That is great. Never stop that. Life is like that. Sometimes some people, when they get to the top, they forget all those people who really brought him. So you don't have to do that. I'm happy that you mentioned this, that when you were nobody, he brought you up, and now you are at the top. So you always go with him as well. That is gratitude. You have to keep on to it. Now, I asked Mike Smith earlier whether the DJ profession is well respected, whether people put value on what you guys do. He said, it depends on blah, 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 blah. How about you? In your area, are you well respected when you go to places and maybe even they are serving? It might be the list of things they will do, though. But do they regard, when a DJ, moon treating especially, do you get that regard?
Oh, yeah, I get that a lot. Mm-hmm. I get that a lot. And even...
Get closer to your mic, please.
Not only in Ghana. I remember we traveled, we went to Mauritius in 2019. Mm-hmm. And I don't know, but when I got there, it's like they already know me.
You went with...
My artist is very big.
You went with which artist?
Magnum,
okay.
He's very big in Mauritius. Yeah,
okay.
The song is number 1. And it's been number 1 for like years. Mm-hmm. Let me say 4 years. Mm-hmm. I don't know I don't know for now, but okay. So when we got there, everybody was like, DJ Lord, we listened to some of your mixes, we know you. So I was even shocked, the kind of reception I was, getting from that side. And even in Ghana, when I enter, when I go to some clubs to play, and everything, I'm getting it, and
we are happy that you guys are getting that recognition. What is the contract with you and your artist?
Honestly speaking, we don't have any contract. Okay. My artist.
So what agreement are you guys working with? Since there is no official contract that you signed,
there's nothing official. The thing is, I feel he's a good person. He's a very, very good person. If you ask me. He's a very, very good person, and let's say we've not put in anything on paper. That maybe after this show I'm supposed to pay you this amount. After this show I'm supposed to pay you this amount. If I'm traveling to this place, maybe I won't take you. No, he doesn't even do that. It got even a point in time where we are supposed to travel. Something happened, and the manager, one person was supposed to drop.
So it means they had